AI governance is just like getting a new hot tub. This doesn't make sense right now, but bear with me, it will. Let's talk about AI governance. But instead of starting with policy documents, risk matrices, compliance frameworks, let's start somewhere more physical. Imagine you decide to install a hot tub in your backyard. It seems simple. You buy it, place it, fill it, turn it on, and relax. Now, here's the uncomfortable truth: installing a hot tub is not primarily about buying a hot tub, it's about preparing the environment that will contain it. And AI governance works exactly the same way. Because most organizations focus on the model, very few prepare the ground. When you buy a hot tub, the tub itself isn't dangerous. It's engineered, has safety specs, installation manuals. The manufacturer did their part. In AI, the model is the tub. It's the visible object. People obsess over it. What model version, what capabilities, how powerful. But the tub by itself doesn't cause the risk. The environment around it does. Place a 2,000-pound water filled structure on unstable soil, and you will have structure failure. Deploy a probabilistic system into an undefined workflow, and you have operational instability. The risk is not the hot tub, it's the foundation. Before you install a hot tub, you need a proper base: concrete slab, reinforced support, level surface. If you skip this, the tub shifts, cracks form, water leaks, the frame warps. Now, translate that into AI. What is the foundation? Data quality, decision clarity, workflow definition, authority mapping. If your organization doesn't know who owns the decision, what risk tolerance exists, where escalation happens, then installing AI on top of what is like placing a hot tub on gravel or dirt. It may look fine for a while, then stress accumulates. Governance begins with structural preparation, not deployment. Hot tubs require dedicated electrical lines, correct amperage, ground fault protection, code compliance. You cannot just plug it into a random extension cord. The power infrastructure has to match the device. AI systems are similar. They require secure infrastructure, clear data pipelines, access controls, monitoring systems. If you plug AI directly into live operational systems without segmentation, logging, and oversight, you create cascading exposure. Electrical faults don't announce themselves loudly at first. Neither does poorly integrated AI. Governance includes invisible engineering, not just visible tools. Now let's talk about something people underestimate. Hot tubs require constant water monitoring: chlorine levels, pH balance, filtration, temperature regulation. If you don't maintain those, the water turns cloudy fast. Bacteria grows, the tub still works, but it becomes unsafe. AI systems are the same. Model drifts, data changes, user behavior adapts. Without monitoring, performance audits, drift detection, output review, the system continues running while conditions degrade. Governance is maintenance, not installation. The most dangerous AI systems are not the ones that fail dramatically. They're the ones that slowly degrade while appearing operational. When you install a hot tub, you also think about access. Who accesses the hot tub? Children, guests, time limits, supervision. You may install a clock, you may define rules, but immersion without boundaries create risks. Now, consider AI tools. Who can deploy them? Who can connect them to internal databases? Who can authorize automated action? Who can override system decisions? If access control is unclear, well intentioned employees may extend AI into sensitive areas without understanding downstream implications. Governance defines entry rules, not to restrict progress, but to prevent accidental exposure. Eventually, someone may slip near the hot tub. The question becomes: was the surface treated correctly? Were warning signs clear? Was the installation compliant? Ownership matters. The manufacturer doesn't own the backyard, you do. With AI, organizations often assume that because the model comes from a major vendor, responsibility transfer, but it doesn't. If an AI powered system misranks candidates, misclassifies transactions, or misguides operational priorities, The liability does not sit with the algorithm in abstraction, it sits with the deploying institution. Governance clarifies that before incidents occur, not after. Many people say it's just a hot tub, or in AI conversations, it's just a tool. But tools embedded environments change those environments. A hot tub increases power consumption, changes backyard traffic patterns, alters insurance exposure. AI systems alter decision speed, authority distribution, risk amplification patterns, human oversight habits. They are not neutral once installed. They become part of the system. Governance is recognizing system level impact. Installing a hot tub without preparation feels exciting. You skip foundation planning because the object itself works. Installing AI feels similar. You pilot in one department, you connect it to a workflow, it produces impressive output. But governance isn't about preventing enjoyment, it's about ensuring structural integrity. The tub, the tub is not the problem, the absence of preparation is. AI governance is not resistance to innovation, it is the concrete slab beneath it. So, yes, AI governance is exactly like getting a new hot tub. It's not about the tub, it's about foundation, infrastructure, maintenance, access control, liability clarity. You don't govern because the tub is evil. You govern because water, electricity, weight, and environment interact. AI is similar. Prediction, automation, speed, and authority interact. And interaction creates exposure. Governance ensures that when something powerful enters your environment, it operates within boundaries you designed intentionally. Because once it's installed, responsibility doesn't evaporate, it anchors to whoever owns the ground.